Hi, Pauline's just measuring up the wood for the bed. What are you doing, Pauline?
I'm making 4 holes to put bolts through into rivnuts in the van. So this is going to be the support for the bed frame, and we'll be able to bolt the frame of the bed to this.
And what have you done this for, Pauline?
I've put some tape around so I don't drill all the way through the van and come out the other end.
Make a big hole?
Make a big hole in the van. So hopefully this will come in as a stopper. So I'll drill.
Well, we're hoping it'll be a stopper.
And yeah, great stopper.
Well, it should be a stopper.
Yeah, so we'll see how that works.
Pauline's just drilled a hole in here, and we bought these magnets online to catch all the filings, and for extra measure we just put the bit of tape underneath there to catch all the filing as well. But doesn't look like there's any filing anywhere else but where it's supposed to be, so that's a good thing. Pauline's just putting the bigger one of these in to make a bigger hole so as we can fit the bigger screws in so as to hold the bed.
You don't trust me.
Should I go out and have a look, Pauline, to make sure it didn't go through the other side?
Let's go and have a look, Karen. Look at that. No holes in the van.
Oh, thank God there's no hole in the van.
Just squaring off the ends so we've got a nice deep channel to router out, or so we can slot the bed frame into. So I'm just squaring her off. to make sure that I'm going in the right direction.
Hi everyone, today we're working on our van. We're working on making our bed here. Pauline, do you want to talk about what we did with the bed frame?
Okay, we purchased the bed frame from Ikea. I think it was called Skoda. Skoda. I think it's Skoda. I'll put the right stuff in the comments anyway. We had to modify the frame a bit by cutting and shifting the slats a bit to get it to fit sideways, Karen, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And we bought a different mattress. We bought a
Sleeping duck.
Yeah, sleeping duck, that was it. And we find they're quite comfy, aren't they, the mattresses?
We had a bit of a few stuff-ups with this. We're not experts, I can tell you.
Yeah.
But we managed to get it fitting okay.
Yeah.
So
yeah, we're planning to etch it into the side frame by just maybe chiseling out like a little ledge down, so this frame here drops into the main frame along the van, hopefully it would not go anywhere. It will just sit there, make it a bit more solid, and with the weight of the mattress, I don't think it's going to go anywhere.
we're also going to put support under the middle of the bed too.
Yeah, the support's going here too.
Because otherwise we might fall through, and that won't be fun.
Anyway, we'll pick you up on the next one.
Thank you.
Thank you. Video on 1692. It's flat.
this side of the line.
Yeah, and do this side of it.
It's on. Perfect.
Yeah. Oh.
Pauline just bumped her head. That's why she's doing it, not me.
There we go. That side done. Yeah, so what we've got, oh, you switched it off.
Oh, no.
Yeah, no, is pocket holes, the bed base on top, giving it a strong bond onto the wall of the van.
Hi everyone,
Hi.
Today we are going to be making a frame for the bed. We've already done one here, but we thought we might show you exactly what we're doing because we were just practicing and it's actually turned out quite well. So we thought we'd share what we're doing. Pauline, do you want to share some?
Yeah, well, today we're using 35 by 70 mil pine, leaving it flat ways, that way we've got a good solid base under the bed frame, so it'll be extra strong for the mattress and us on top. So
It's got to be strong.
It's got to be strong, and we're using the classic pocket hole screws, so we'll pocket hold them into either side of the frame, and we'll do a little bit of a video and show you how it's done.
Pauline will be laying on the floor under there trying to screw them in and I'll be watching her. That sounds like a plan for me. going in.